always willing to take the stage. I asked her, what does she do on Saturdays? She said she likes to watch Hulk. I might be pushing it a bit. She likes to go with her son to movies like Hulk. That's how she likes to enjoy Saturdays, other than when she's not sleeping. Can we welcome Nisha Balakrishnan on stage, please?
My practice has started. Mr. President, fellow Toastmasters and honored guests, good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Nisha Balakrishnan and I will be the host for today's meet. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome all of you to the Bangalore Toastmasters Club. And I request all of you to actively partake in today's meeting. Practice makes perfect. Let me tell you a small story about a small town called Greenville. One day, a train coming from somewhere came to a screeching halt at the Greenville railway station. And a perfectly dressed gentleman carried a very heavy suitcase. Hello.
Yeah.
Let me start my story again. This is a story about a small town called Greenville. One day, a train coming from somewhere came to a screeching halt at the Greenville railway station, and a perfectly dressed gentleman carrying a very big and heavy suitcase got out at the railway station. His name was William. There were two unusual things about William. The first one, wherever he went, he would always carry the big heavy suitcase with him. And the second one, whenever he wanted to communicate with anybody, he would always communicate by singing opera. It doesn't matter to him if he was just answering a small greeting like good day. He would clear his throat and respond. Good day to you too. Years passed, and one day William secured a very important role in an opera. The opera became a big success. So was William. Now, people wanted to know what is the secret of his success. So, during an interview, one of the reporters asked him, so tell me, William, what is the secret of your success? And William just opened the suitcase which he used to carry with him every time. That heavy, constant companion, and in it was a big, heavy stone with a hand-carved message on it. Can anybody guess what was the message on the stone? Okay. You
Practice.
yes. Practice. Okay, almost there. The message was practice, my boy. Practice every second for practice makes. Loudly, practice makes. Once again, loudly, practice makes. Thank you. Well done. Now, coming to the Toastmasters story. Toastmasters International is a non-profit educational organization which helps its members to practice their communication, leadership and public speaking skills. It was founded by Ralph C. Smedley. You can see the picture of Ralph C. Smedley on the banner over there. Toastmasters was founded on October 22, 1924 at the YMCA in Santa Ana, California. Today, Toastmasters is present in over 126 countries with over 313,000 members and 14,650 clubs spread throughout the globe. The international president is DTM Muhammad Murad, and the motto of Toastmasters is yes, where leaders are made. Thank you, Mahavir. So today you are going to see a lot of budding leaders coming over the stage and trying to practice their speech and their communication and leadership skills. So I request all of you to give them a big round of applause whenever they come on stage to practice their skills. Here at Bangalore Toastmasters Club, we meet every Friday from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Each meeting has a structured format where the members take different roles to practice their leadership, communication and public speaking skills. For practice makes
Perfect.
Once again, practice makes
Perfect.
Loudly, practice makes
Perfect.
Thank you once again. Each meeting is divided into 3 parts. The first one is the prepared speech session where the members will come and deliver their already prepared speeches based on the guidelines of this Competent Communicator Manual. This is the manual for the benefit of the guest. We have this Competent Communicator Manual. We have 2 other manuals also. This is the Competent Leader Manual and one Advanced Communication Manual. We have 4 prepared speeches today. Now the second part of this meeting is the table topics or the impromptu speech session where the members and a few guests can come and practice their thinking and speaking on the feet skills. TM Vinay, can you please stand up? TM Vinay is going to be the table topic master today. So whoever wants to practice their thinking on feet and speaking skills, please contact him during the break. Thank you, TM Vinay. And the third is the most important part of the meeting, and that is the evaluation, where every activity that happens in the 2 hours will be evaluated. Not only that, the evaluators will be evaluated by the general evaluator. So let me take this opportunity to introduce you to the general evaluator of today. He is the most meticulous and reliable person around. He is a person who has been a member of Bangalore Toastmasters Club since 2012. He likes reading, listening to music and traveling short trips, though he is a marketing professional. He works in a medical device field. So please welcome the General Evaluator of the TM Ratan Shetty.
Thank you so much for this introduction. As General Evaluator for today's meeting, I'll be, in fact, I've started already noting down how the meeting has been proceeding and making the notes, note of all the good points and relevant whatever I'll be using accordingly. To take the meeting forward, I have with me a team which consists of 3 individuals. As a time manager, I have got Sudarshan, and I will request
Good evening, Toastmasters. My role as a timer today would be to note down the timings of each and every speech that happens. And for prepared speeches, I'll be showing the white card at 4 minutes, 2 minutes left of the speech, orange board at 1 minute left of the speech, and the red board at 0 seconds left of the speech. And for prepared means for table topic session, it's going to be 1 minute, 1.5 minute, and 2 minutes respectively for the same cards. Thank you. And at the end of the session, I'm going to submit my report to General Evaluator. Thanks.
Thank you, Sudarshan. As our counter, we've got Nikhil, if you would please explain your role.
Toastmasters and distinguished wannabe Toastmasters, good evening. I'll be keeping note of the R's, the ums, the filler words, and short pauses and long pauses of all the speakers who talk today, and I'll be submitting my report to the General Evaluator. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil. As the grammarian, we've got Inder, if you would explain your role.
Good evening, Toastmasters and guests. The word of the day is partake. Example, to partake in celebration. I would be noting down the good usage and not so good usage of words, and would be presenting down the list to the General Evaluator at the end of the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Inder. At the end of the meeting, I will be submitting my report. I would now hand it over back to you.
Thank you, General Evaluator. Now we are entering the first part of our meeting, the prepared speech session. May I request the evaluator of the first speech, CC2, Arun Dev, to read out the guidelines.